out of prison in 1973 with the help of your mother, and they've been on the run ever since.
I just remember my mouth dropping, and I looked at Chip, I backed up, and I was just staring at him, and he was looking back at me with the same expression, like, it was a lot.
After years of wondering why his family constantly moved and why his father had no identification, Chip's strange life began to make sense.
The first question I asked my aunt, was he ever in Vietnam? And my aunt took a deep breath and let it out, and she said, no, honey, he wasn't in Vietnam.
He just said, oh my gosh, and he just put his head in his hands, and he was crying. I mean, it was emotional. He said he wasn't a hero, he was a child murderer. It was a moment of truth.
He had to decide which way he wanted to take his life. Do you pick the phone and turn your father in, or do you ignore it?
It was Officer Pat Becker of the Auburn Hills Police Department who received a fateful call from Chip St. Clair on the morning of January 23rd. He had an urgent request.
Don't let that person out of jail. You gotta understand who that person is. Maybe his boy's not his associate. You run a check on him. As soon as I hung up the phone with him, I called booking. I don't care who calls you. Don't release him. There's a possibility he's wanted for murder.
Officer Becker ran David St. Clair's fingerprints through the system. He confirmed that the man in custody was the fugitive Michael Grant, who was wanted for the murder of 3-year-old Scott Ingersoll.
When Officer Becker confirmed that my father was really Michael Grant, a fugitive from Indiana, everything was gone. I had no other option. I was forced to face who my father really was for the first time.
But it was a nearly impossible. Chip clung to the hope that he might be